this functional notation, right? For example, not, right? How to do not, right? Not take one input, right? So here we choose A, right? For example, I do this, right? You see here, I say not A1, right? I say this is not A1. So A1 is false, right? So this is true, right? And then if you drag down this one, you see here will be not A2, not A3, not A4, right? So you see they're just inverted, right? How to do the AND, right? AND take two inputs, right? We say this, we say AND parenthesis and A1 comma B1, right? So this is A and B1, right? This one, this should be false, right? And then if you drag down, here is A2, B2, A3, B3, right? A4, B4, right? So you see, only one row is true, all other three cases are false, right? Similarly for OR, right? OR you say this OR, right? OR EB, right? Just like you did in assignments, right? OR E1, B1. So this will be, you see this only one both are false, it's false, right? All others are true, right? This is ideal, right? So how to do this not and not OR, right? Maybe let me do this here. Not and not OR, you go this one, right? You say equal, right? Don't forget the equal, you say this not, right? Not and, right? It's not a case sensitive, right? So I can use the lowercase. You see this one, right? A1, B1, right? You need a parenthesis, another parenthesis, right? That's right. You see this one, let me reverse this row, right? You see this is true. And if I drag down, right? So this you see that will be inverted, right? So this is how to do this one, right? Same thing for the not or, right? You can say not equal, not, not or B1, B, okay, B1, right? You need two, right? You see this one just should flip this one, right? So this is true for false true, right? False true. And also here we have this XOR, right? So XOR now, we can use XOR directly. You see here, XOR A1, B1. If we drag down, you see, let's just show this one, right? So in these two cases, they are different, right? So this is true. Otherwise, they are false, right? We can also similarly use the older way, right? Before we have to do something like this, right? You say not A and B, right? Not A equal B, right? So therefore, you see they're the same, right? Or you say A not this one, right? So this is the case, right? So here, I think answer your question. Actually, you can replace this one. I believe I tried before. Okay, let's move this one to other place. Let's change this to 0, 1, right? I think this is a thing. 1 and this is considered. Yeah, let's do this is 1, right? This is 0, 0, no.
1.
This is 1. And this is 0. You see, they have the same result, right? You see, this is not, right? Actually, if I, okay, if I change this to 0, it's not changing.
Yeah, no, because it follows the D1, yeah.
I should use absolute, right? Anyway, okay, so you can change this one. Let's say A1, right? Let's say A1. Okay, so this is still true, right? If you drag down, this will be true, true, false, false. If I change this to 0, this should be true, right? So see, so 0, 1 or true, false are the same, right? Actually, you can use either this way or this. So this is about the functional notation.